Oh, hey, I think we're live. What is up, everyone? Welcome on this beautiful Saturday. And what do we do on a Saturday? We party, of course. What do you think? So, especially for you guys, this beautiful song to kick off this beautiful stream. If there is sound, I don't know. Hey, can you imagine there was no sound or something? That would be embarrassing, isn't it? I have no idea what the volume is, so all right. Teddy, what is up, man? Mike Seeks Truth, what is up? Yeah. Oh, I need to do some administration. How do we do this? Once again, Discord. Press enter. Boom. And of course, the Twitch, Twitter. All right. So today, the plan of today is basically we are going to keep building on our crypto indicator written real-time crypto indicator written in Golang. But I'm basically what's going on? For the people that don't know, I have this project on GitHub, right? It's basically /npm term decator, not dictator, but decator. And we're going to continue build that. We're going to draw stuff in the terminal and fix some bugs also. Yeah, buddy. I'm trying to set up my my fucking playlist. That's what I'm doing on the fly. Can you imagine? What is this? Inspired 80s. That's not true. We're gonna do this one. I'm gonna play this song in the mix. Can I mix this? Look at this. What I'm gonna do. DJ. Oh shit, that's too hard. Like this, and then boom. Websocket, just like that. Upsa! Haha! Look at this! DJ! The DJ, man. Let's make this. I rewatched the stream of. I rewatched my previous stream, and the music was too loud. What's the plant behind you? It's a plastic plant. It's plastic. Because, hey, there should be a good volume, guys. Is the volume good? Please let me know, because I'm basically finger doing like that because I have no clue. Still going strong with Vim, and I wish I would have learned it so much sooner. I even have the Vimium Chrome extension. Isn't that amazing? Mike Seeks Truth. Happy as usual. Who is this? Atticus. Yeah, buddy. Atticus is here. Hey, Atticus, welcome, man. One of the OGs. What are we doing? We're gonna remove this screen, actually, maybe. Yes, a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna do my self-promotion later on in the stream. Self-promotion. Wait, what am I gonna do here? So this is this. Yes, I'm trying out a new color scheme. A color scheme created by one of the community members. What is his name? His name is CQS. CQS made this beautiful color scheme. Yeah, it's warm. It's warm in here, my mans. I do so taking steps towards a real one. Yeah, I have real plants in my house, but this is a plastic one to fill up the gaps, right? To fill up the gaps. All good. Music is low. Too low or not too low? I don't know. Let's keep it that way. It's fine. All right. So we are basically in our project, right? Let's open up main here. Look at this beautiful color scheme. It needs to be a little bit more work here and there, but hey. So good, so good. So we have some problems with our order book. The first thing that we need to do is basically we had some problems with man, the font is huge. And where were we? Here, this shenanigans here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna say event channel. It's going to be make me a channel of, I think it's a term box dot event 1. And then we're going to say, go func for. I think you could do something like that. I'm not quite sure it's going to work out, by the way. Event channel. Termbox dot poll event. That's it. And then here we're gonna delete this. Actually, to be honest, we can delete the whole. Wait. We're gonna say. Wait. It's fucking warm. It's too warm in here. Yes, black. Oh man, my shoulder. I did some overhead presses yesterday. Woohoo! And you're still on fire. Yes. So we're going to say, actually, to be honest, I think we need to do a select here. And in the select, we're going to say case. It's going to be an event, which is going to be this event channel. If that's the case, we're also going to make a default here. We're going to switch the event key case termbox dot key escape is running is false. Is that true or is that false? Nobody knows. We're going to see that very soon. And I also made my terminal a little bit bigger, so if my Golang may not go actually, to be honest. Boom, but boom. So now we're gonna have these, all these values popping up. We're gonna basically limit them also with a depth. But if I press escape, we are basically free of the thing. That's what we need, right? That is a bit hard to see on the phone. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna say color scheme, groove, box, boom, and it's all taken care of. Of course, we're gonna say TS disable highlights, because too many highlights, not good for me. Although it's Saturday, so we could do a little bit of color party. Tokyo night. Hey, are you using charm lips? No. Man, Vim is looking better and better every day. Yada. Probably going to be the best decision I've made. Yeah, like I said, Vim is not basically... It's not Vim itself. It's basically the Vim motions and the productivity you're going to learn by doing that. So sometimes stepping back a little bit more to the native side of things with Vim can... and you learn these... Yeah. Motions. It's the motions, man. It's dissing the mouse. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna limit these order book renders. Wait, here are some issues we had previous stream. So I'm gonna do this. We're gonna say if entry. Okay, it's going to be OB asks get ask by price. Basically just copy the line we actually wrote below. Then I'm going to say if volume is 0. I'm going to copy this, paste that in. So if we have, so first of all, we're going to check, do we have this price level in our order book? Yes, we have that. Cool. Is the volume 0? Yes, it's 0. We're going to delete it. Else, we're going to say that the entry dot volume is going to be the volume of the new volume. It's that easy, right? And then we're going to say continue, I think. Yes, so we can delete this part. If we don't find the entry, we're going to make an entry. Yes, that's what we're going to do. Of course, because I'm a bad programmer, we need to copy this whole thing. That's nasty. That's nasty. There is a way to do this in one function, but I don't want to hassle around with it. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in here. Of course, we need to be careful because this is going to be bits. And it's going to be get the bits actually, get bit by price. And we're going to delete the bit here. And yeah, this is fine, right? This is fine. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to limit with a depth, right? We're going to have a depth in our terminal, in our UI, which we're going to draw very soon. We are going to say, handle responsable. What is this? A render. We're going to actually make a new function. OB. Order book. And we're going to say, get bits. Yeah, get bits. We're going to hard code that number. It doesn't matter. We're going to say this and it's going to return a pointer, a slice of pointers to order book entries. All right. How are we going to do this? The depth is going to be 10. Bits is going to be make me a slice pointers to order book entries based on the depth, right? And then we're going to loop. No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to loop. We're going to say for. We need an iterator. We need an iterator. Yes. Let's make it clean. Var. Delete, delete, delete. Close. Boom. We're going to say for it next. For it next. Center the screen. E is 0, of course. Hey, E is always at the party, isn't it? Why? E, whatever you're gonna call it. Hello from Ukraine. I like your content. You're super, dude. Thanks, man. You are super because you're here, right? We are all super. It's not me. It's the community. It's the deviation. We are all super. Without you, there is no me. Don't forget that, right? So I need you. Stand by my side, 'cause I don't wanna code without you. Making a fool of yourself on the internet is basically a dream from when I was younger, and now I can actually come true. Right? I can be whatever I want to be. Okay, so we're gonna it next. That's fine. So we're gonna say. We're gonna do this. Bits y equals it item or something. Y plus plus. Yeah. I think that's a good thing. I think that's the angle. Return bits. Is that a thing? So now if we render here, we are going to basically I'm gonna delete this whole shebang. Let's do the bits first. And basically I think the bits are basically borked. Let's copy this real quick. Asks hey made a mistake. Yes, asks here. We're gonna return these boys and then we're gonna render. We're gonna basically not do the iterator. We don't need anything. Wait, this is maybe what we want. Delete this. This and this and this and this. We're gonna say for underscore asks in a range. We have a little of a race condition. Well, yeah, but it doesn't matter. Frame rate, kind of good. Range. OB asks, get asks by the way. Copy these things in here. You're gonna say that the price is this. Paste this volume. It's gonna be this volume. And then we're gonna say render text. We're gonna render this asks. What we're gonna render them red. Do we have an iterator here? Is that possible? Of course. Price search. Render text. Color red. We're gonna render the text once again, but we're gonna say it's going to be x plus 10. And then we're gonna say it's gonna be the volume, and that's gonna be the price because I changed this, and that's gonna be, I don't know, color cyan. Undeclared name item. Ask. All right. Hello, Ali Reza. What up, man? Welcome. Nonetheless, Hate of G, GPS, GSP. The background music is a bit loud. Thanks. This is better, right? Not using bubble tea. What's bubble tea? Is the music better? Please, guys, guide me into the right direction. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Let's try this thing. Go run. Probably some pointer dereference or something. I don't know. Okay, I see. Where is this pointer? Shenanigans. 1, 3, 4. Oh yeah, I see. If asks. Is that a thing? Ah! Oh shit. If E, basically we're gonna stop, please. Yes, thanks. Is that a thing? I have no clue. I'm just gonna try some stuff without thinking too much. Because it's very hard. Beautiful! Look at this. We still have 0 values. I have no clue why that is. Oh, my PC! Doing crazy stuff. We need to be careful here. Wow, this fan of the stupid laptop is fucking going off. What we could do is actually, do we have a draw loop or something? Yeah, so... Oof. Result, and then we basically iter next. What's going on here? The hell is this? This is another main. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm in another main. We have 2 mains here. You know what I mean? 2 characters. Yeah, so basically this is our loop. Let's sleep here. Time, millisecond. Times 16, which basically results in 60 frames per second. Kinda. Kind of 60 frames per second. It will not be far off. 59 maybe? 61? I don't know, something like that. Let's try again and see if my PC is blown up. Seems good. Seems good to me. Looking good to me. PR merged. What is your PC setup? Very scuffed. I have a laptop, Razer Blade. With a big GPU, and it's a very good laptop actually, but it's a laptop. Laptop fans always nasty. But I have a good PC. I have a MacBook also. Problem is my MacBook GPU is not good, so I cannot do video encoding that well. And I have video editing software on Windows, so it's I don't know what I need to do. Although I'll also have a gaming PC, a big PC with a lot of RAM, 32 gigs of RAM, very good CPU, and I think I'm gonna use that, set Linux on it, and use that. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do. Fuck video editing, right? It's like a little more than 60 FPS. Yeah, it's a little bit more. It doesn't matter. Just finger thing. Okay, so now we have these bits, asks rendered. So now we're gonna basically try to see where is the rest here. Get bits. That should be good. So if you want to render, we're gonna basically change this to render OB. Let's copy this, man. Hey, let's copy. We could make two functions of that. Why not? Why not? But it's fine. So we're gonna say bit, bits, bit. Very religious. Is that the thing? I think we're done. Hop, 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 hop. Turnbox color green. Ta-da-dum. Ta-da-dum. Ha. What's going on? Something I actually need to do with these asks real quick is this iterator, right? So I'm gonna, yeah, like I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna release this boy, and I'm gonna do it the same thing here. Not that it's actually has to do with the problem, but what's going on? Let's 113. Oh. It next. Order book entry depth. I copy pasted, so I could be that I made a mistake. Bits iterator it is fine. E plus plus. Oh yeah, is it the depth thingy? Yeah, the depth. Boom. Depth. Boom. You see, you could make. If I have some more time, I would basically make this in a single function. So you could basically check, do I need the bits? Yes, then we're gonna get the bits, and then all that stuff, right? With a little bit of if-else switching. Let's see what's going on here. Wait, I'm still rendering the shenanigans, right? Oh no. Wait, we do a problem. This stupid sound, how can I turn that off? What am I doing here? What am I doing? Ew, look at this! But there's a problem. What the hell? There is no spread at all. There's a problem. So basically the problem is that this is the best ask, and yeah, this is the best. No, this is the. Anyway, we need to sort that stuff if you really want to do it like. If you really want to have these best bid, best asked compared to each other, right? And then you could see the spread, because you see this guy here. This is the highest ask. I'm actually confused as f. It doesn't matter. I don't want to think about it, guys. We don't want to think about this. We're going to pinpoint this precise. Thinking is hard for me, especially after this day. I woke up at 8 o'clock. I worked the whole fucking morning. Then I went to the gym, and then I did cleaned out my car engine. Cleaned up the garden. And now I'm here. So you know what I mean? Why is escape not working? It is. All right. It's fine. We're gonna fix the layout soon. So the first thing what I want to do is basically draw my my panels. What are your plans for the Easter weekend? Actually, nothing. Tonight I'm going to my girlfriend. We're gonna watch The Walking Dead, drinking some wine and what? And hey, maybe something else. Probably will. It's guaranteed. Hey, there is one thing that's guaranteed today. That's a fact. Hey, I'm not gonna go into details with that. And tomorrow I'm gonna work, and to the gym, lag day, and work, making videos, working for the company, making full-time GoDev, by the way, making the videos for full-time GoDev. So maybe it's a good idea to show real quick for everybody. For the people that don't know, I'm making a program. I'm not gonna call it a course. It's a program. But basically the program is, once you follow it and you're finished, you're basically ready to enter the Golang engineering scene, the backend engineering scene, because you're going to know everything. You're going to be like me, just like me, because I'm going to show and teach you everything. It's basically, everything is included. We have a complete Golang syntax, concurrency, and all that stuff is being covered for the people that don't know it. If you already know it, you can skip that. We're going to build APIs. It's a project. It's going to be an hotel reservation API. Completely with Docker and all stuff, completely interfaces, testing, the whole shebang, production-ready project. We're going to build microservices, also a project. I need to think about that. These episodes are already 2 episodes online. These episodes will come later. We're going to build a couple of microservices, let them communicate with each other, build a gateway, and also a real project. I'm thinking about something that I did in my job back in the days, maybe something like that. I'm gonna see. The blockchain from scratch series is basically not on YouTube. It's a complete different one. It's on Patreon. That's for bonus, and then a couple of videos on how to land a job. That's what's gonna be. This will be finished by the end of this month ish, and it's now already in pre-order. 30% off. Spend some money. Make me rich. There's a lot of time in this. There's a fucking lot of time in this, man. I swear to God, this is hours of content. It's basically the whole fucking Udemy Golang shit all bundled together for hours, right? Nobody has that in the fucking world. It's only me. Check it out. fulltimegodev.com. Yeah, buddy. Okay, cool. Delete this thing. How do you do that? Back to work. Okay, we're gonna draw. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make this render order book, because we're gonna have different panels. Wait, I don't like this actually. We're gonna do a render, it's fine. How can we draw a panel with turnbox? That's the question. So this is our render loop here. Let's make a function. A render. Turnbox. I want to quickly check something. Window. Size. Yes. Width and height. We're gonna say Jesus, my PC, what's going on? I need to fix it. I need to get the other one. This is too nasty. Maybe you guys already hear the fan running, man. It's insane. Turnbox. We're gonna experiment, right? I have no clue how to do this, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna experiment, right? So I think you're gonna say turnbox set cell, right? And we're gonna make a nice, beautiful UIs. But first, we're gonna get some dopamine, right? Reward system. A lot of people ask me, how do you learn to program? Don't read books. Don't do that, please. Don't read books. Experiment. And try to get as much of dopamine, satisfaction, results on your screen. That's the only way how you're gonna learn. That's the only way how you're gonna basically keep the motivation to learn, because learning itself is not hard. It's basically keep the consistency of learning. And the only thing to get that is by having a nice reward triggering system. So do some cool stuff. Set cell. Set cell. It's going to be Y. That's not true. It's going to be 0. Maybe this could be a nice frame border. Then we need to have a term box default color. Help. Term box color default. Term box color. What do we have? Magenta. All right, just to see. I have no clue. Render. So how do we gonna do this? We gonna what is this main loop, man? Delete this relics from the past. Relics from the past. It's hunter-gatherers have built that. Wait, because we are making nasty stuff. So we're gonna say this is our loop here. Turnbox clear, render, sleep, flush, fine. We're gonna call this render thingy. We could say render frame. We're gonna make it better. Just let me experiment real quick. Oh shit. Wait, this is not what I want. This is basically, I think this is going to be color magenta. And this should be color default. That's the first mistake. And then this is basically Y, right? Yeah, because I'm legit an idiot. Oh yeah! Look at this. Okay, everything is a little bit scuffed. Je sais. But have no fear. We're gonna fix that. Yeah. We should actually make some structs and a panel struct and everything, to be honest. Because we're drawing this other book here. We have a Y. That's good news. Okay, so something like that. Okay, cool, that's fine. So the next thing we're gonna do is how can we... so we need to do that 2 times, right? Wait, so... Oh, this is also so confusing for me. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm actually complete... Maybe I'm an imposter! Maybe I am an imposter! Wait, so we loop over the width, and we draw this thing here at Y, and we're also gonna do this at basically height -1 or something. I have no clue. We need to expect this because this is so annoying. Help. Wait, no. No. Oh, it hurts so hard, guys. It hurts so hard. Yes! Borders. We're drawing borders. We're gonna make a nice panel struct. Oh man, I'm spitting here all over the place, crazy. And it's not even date night, and I'm already spitting. Oh man. Okay, that's fine. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna loop over this width, right? And then we're gonna loop over the height and draw that stuff. I have no clue what I'm doing. Let's copy this, paste that in. Yeah. I'm gonna make, I swear to God, the next stream, I'm gonna have the new PC set up. It's a little bit nasty. We need to find another terminal. If somebody can already search the internet for some good rectangle things that we can use to make a nice frame. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna do it like this, right? So this is Y, and that's gonna be width -1, right? Something like that. But we also need to offset our OB render. Let's do 2.2 or something. That should be fine. Go, run, may not go. I can see my cursor, but it's fine. Yes, okay, we have a frame. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Very, very beautiful. So we're gonna set these colors actually. Maybe we're gonna say white because magenta, I'm not sure. If you pay me $10, then we can think about that. Missing an argument list. All good, buddy. All good. You're the man. You're the man. Clear. Mistyped. Again. Alright, so yes, white. This is already a little bit better. We need to have some cool building blocks, right, to build our frames. And we need to shove up this order book on the other side. So our order book is going to be here. Maybe we're going to have the trades. Are we going to get the trades that maybe we could display them? Why not? And then here, we are going to draw our indicator, support resistance indicator, just to start off. And we can build as much as we want, right? We're going to basically build, trading light. No, it's not true. We're not gonna do order book depth and stuff. We're gonna keep it simple. Right? If you really want to see a crypto X-ray vision of the market to get an edge, you should go to Trading Light because Trading View is not as good, right? You know what I mean? They don't have heat maps. They don't. Three people do that. Trading View. I don't know. Maybe they are with 100 people. I mean, 3 people out coding all these boys. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Help. PC is going loco. Alright, let me read the chat real quick. Hi, thank you for sharing Golang with others. 2 days ago, I was installing Helix, coded in Rust, and I have a libc error on Debian 10. Go, not see go. Do not have this problem. Yeah, I can see what you mean. Hello, greetings from Brazil. Is there a Discord channel only for the ones who acquired the full-time GoDev code? Yes. If you join my Discord and you go to the random channel and you add me, because I cannot find you as easy on Discord because there are so many people, and just add me and I will give you the role, and then you can jump into a special full-time GoDev channel where you can ask your questions and discuss and send the police. When you continue with the JSON API project, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna try something. So first of all, are we going to split things out? Yeah, we're gonna do that. Package main. So we're gonna make type. We're gonna do this type panel. Am I really going to put myself in this situation? No, I don't. I don't. I'm not gonna put myself in this situation because we're gonna keep. We have a panel. It's fine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna shove up these books. We're gonna offset them. The question is how much we're gonna offset them. We should actually know the rune length of these things. I think we have a function where we can determine the rune length of a complete string. So if we concatenate the price and... not quite sure. Here, OB render. So it's basically rendering this at 2. That's not... Where is the width? It's nowhere. Fuck, where did I do this? Rune width. No, not that width. Here, turn box size. What I'm gonna do... I'm gonna delete this. Func init. Paste that in. Nah, that's not true. This is bad. This is so bad. This is... Very bad, very bad. Because the problem is turnbox need to be initialized in the main loop here. So we could do this, right? Let's call this we width, we height, right? Here. We width. Huh. Damn it, it's gonna be... Hop. Yes. Undeclared we width. Why? God damn it! Where's my main, man? Fuck this. Uppercase constants. Who is gonna stop me? Who? I see nobody. Nobody's gonna stop me from reaching my goal. And this is the goal. Width. Height. Undeclared name W. Yes! Alright, and now we need to set these boys, right? Width. Can we please type hint me when I need it? Huh. Where am I? Here. Go, run, main, go. Yes! You see, sometimes uppercase everything. Does full-time GoDev differ from the content in Patreon? Is it replacing it? No, it's not replacing it. Patreon, listen. So Patreon is a place where I can deliver more complex content. More content without taking the YouTube game in mind. Right? On YouTube, I'm playing the YouTube game. That basically means I'm making these very simple videos about JSON APIs and that's the plan, and very simple videos about very simple Golang concept, not too difficult, because that's what YouTube wants to see. Not too long, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, that's already too long. That's what I'm gonna do on YouTube, right? On Patreon, that's the place where the people that are actually willing to learn, people that don't care about entertainment coding, right? Oh, TypeScript, I can do it. Shut the fuck up, right? We're gonna do that really want to learn something, really want to see real life concepts, how I built these frameworks, how I built these things in depth. That's all on Patreon, right? It's not that much structured, although there are structured things in there, but it's more of a lower level content, right? And the full-time GoDev is basically a program that if you follow that, which will take a while, you will basically learn everything. You will learn the Go syntax if you want. You will learn concurrency, best practices, and how it works if you want, taught by me. Right? I'm not going to overload you. I'm going to make sure you will continue. It's very important. I know. And then we're going to build 2 real life projects. We're going to build a JSON API project completely from start to finish in a very ordered way, right? A very ordered way. Normally I'm unordered. I'm not kind of a wild boy, but then we're going to do it ordered, Still being myself, a little bit more order, a little bit more explanation, step by step, completely make that. And for the microservice, the same thing. And the blockchain is already very advanced, but till then, you will already know these concepts. That's the difference, right? So there are 3 parts. The YouTube free part, which is the YouTube game. The Patreon, which is lower level stuff for people that really want to learn and already are advanced, can program, right? Very important. And a full-time Go dev is for people that willing to become full-time Go devs. It is what it is, right? And of course, I'm also going to release more content with other languages because there are also other languages on the Patreon, right? There is Odin. I made a text editor in Odin. There is a video about that. Anyway, so that's fine. So now we're going to shove up this order book. Now we have our width, so we can shove this guy up. This is x. X is 2, but x is going to be the width minus, I have no clue. So this variable, we're going to pinpoint that. Not pinpoint that, we're going to pick that out of thin air, I think. For now. So we could say 50 or something. I'm not quite sure. Maybe we could say 20. Is that true? Is that going to work? It is working. Look at this. I should gamble. I should start gambling streams, man. I gambled this. But of course my thingy is in the way, right? My face. My bald head. My bald blinking head. My billiard ball is in the way, but it doesn't matter. And we still have the 0 problem, but you guys cannot see the 0 oh, yo, you can see here. Look at this. Zero problem here. Wait. Yeah, there is something is wrong with the order book. That's something we already know, but that doesn't matter because we're going to fix that. First of all, we're going to draw some beautiful stuff, right? So what we actually need to do is we need to find... What's going on here? We need to find this. You can see this, right? We need to find the length of this string. This terminal. And then we need to find the length of this string. And this space here. And that's going to be the offset. Later on, right? Later on. So 20 is fine. I think we could even do 18, I guess. Yeah. So OB rendered this thing. I'm thinking. I want to draw a line there. So how are we going to do this? Are we going to do that in OB because we're going to render the order book and maybe it should be responsible for drawing its own little line. There is something wrong with the order book. Not in gathering the information, but there is a problem with how I insert the order book. It's doing nasty stuff. We need to double check that. But that's for later on. First of all, we're going to make some stuff happen on the screen, right? Some eye candy. So a little late night, not late night, but Saturday evening relaxing coding stream. You know what I mean? A little session. Render the order book frame border. Yeah. Oh, this is, actually, I think it's a little bit dirty, this rendering. We need to... let's refactor it later on. We're going to say 4 underscore I smaller than width. I plus plus. Is that true? That's actually completely not true. It's going to be height. Height. Yes. Set cell. This is bad coding, guys. We're gonna fix it, right? We're gonna basically, normally people do mockups, right? You make a mockup of your UI. Well, we're going to mock it up in code. We skip the mockup part. We don't do drawings. We don't do meetings. We make no architecture. We just put things on the screen, mock it up, get some dopamine, trigger our reward level, pump up our chest, pump up our traps, pump up our quads, and then, when it all works, then we're gonna refactor it, right? Or maybe not. That's our secret. So we're gonna set cell 22. Why? This is because it's a variable. This 22 is a number I picked out of thin air. Because today is my gambling lucky day, so maybe I should go to the casino. And then X, this is gonna be Y. Yeah, that's completely true. And then we're gonna draw this beautiful thing here. Term box, this is gonna be color white. Term box, color default. Annoying. Default, yes. Shit. This is not, it needs to be on the other side, guys. I'm so bad, my bad. How are we gonna do this? So we're gonna say it's basically the width minus 22, this special number, right? Come on. Oh, look at this, guys, in the center. Look at this. Oh, look at this, beautifully centered. This is amazing. Beautifully centered just by finger picking things. Maybe I am an oracle. Maybe I call myself an oracle because I always predict what's going to happen with people. I cannot predict that, by the way. I can predict injuries, right? In a gym, oh, I'm going to do this PR and I predict an injury and then there is an injury, right? So I'm the good spotter, right? I'm a good spotter. I'm a good gym buddy because I know if their PRs are being set, I basically don't spot. Right? I don't spot. I basically pretend that I'm spotting, but I'm actually with my cell phone, 112 in Belgium, 112, already dialed in. So the moment he cannot, there is a problem because these guys are basically benching 120 kilos. How can I spot this guy? 120 kilo. What I'm gonna do? I cannot row 120 kilo above my shoulders. You know what I mean? So can you please spot me? No, it's 120 kilo. You're gonna die. Right, so I'm with my cell phone, ready to call the ambulance. That's how I spot, right? That's how I spot. Nice UI. Look at this, man. We are gaming. Okay, so render the order book. We're gonna call this the left frame border. Left frame border. That's this one, right? And that's render the order books itself. Cool. All right. What's the next? First, we also gonna get the price of our ticker, right? That's something we want to see. If we want to open up our term indicator, we want to see the order book, we want to see trades, we also want to see the price. So we're gonna do that real quick. But first of all, let's make a function here. Render market price. Yes, we're gonna render the market price. We know how we're gonna do that. We're gonna say render text or helper function. We're gonna render that. We first gonna render it at 0, 0. No, we can't because we have borders, right? We're gonna render it at 2, 2, right? And then we're gonna make text. It's gonna be, for example, the price is gonna be. Let's do some optimistic price, 40 BDC, euro, I mean, a dollar, whatever, dollars probably. But that's not true, right? Bitcoin is not that price, but hey, it's just a mock-up, we're mocking up. And then you're gonna say a color term box, color. Hey, I have a good idea. What you could do is, we're gonna keep track of the price. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep track of the price. Are there arrows? guys have the best idea. We're going to keep track of the price, and each time the next tick, the price is lower, we're going to make it higher. If the price is higher, we're going to make it green with an arrow up, and if the price is lower, we're going to make it red with an arrow down. That's what we're going to do. Can somebody find an arrow up and down Unicode character for me? Otherwise, I need to find it myself. Turnbox color, what color is going to be? I don't know, orange maybe. Is it all orange color? Yellow maybe then. That's fine. We're going to render this text. We're going to do that here. We render everything. It doesn't matter where we place that. This is render the frame border. Wait, let's do it here. Render. Render market price. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. What is my market price? There is a market price, right? This is going to be the market price. Where do we want to have that? Where? Maybe here. Or maybe... I have a good idea. I have the best idea. I swear to God. I'm full of good ideas today. What's going on? Can we please quit this? Yep. I have a good idea. So we're gonna... render the frame, the window frame border, right? And now we're going to say render the, how are we going to call this? These little misc, render misc border, because I don't know how I'm going to call this. Render the misc border, and we are going to, actually maybe we should make a function. Look at this, func, render line, start end color term box dot attribute. So that's how I do this, right? So that's how I most of the time code. So basically I'm gonna do some stuff, and then I'm gonna repeat myself, and then I'm gonna split things out and make things better on the fly. But I'm not gonna think about it. It's came in my head. Maybe it came tomorrow, maybe it never came, but it came today. Render a line. We're gonna set the start, actually, to be honest, for the people and for the blind homies and the Rubyists. We're gonna make this oh, I got, these guys are amazing. I got this thing. Let me copy this. Copy. Thank you, Albert. Thank you, Mike Seeks Through. Thank you, everyone that pasted that thing in. I'm gonna do this and then paste here, hopefully. Yes. What's going on here? This is what we need. That's probably something like arrow, right? Arrow. Yeah, it's fine. Render line. So we're gonna render a line. How are we gonna do this? Wait, maybe we need start end. Render straight line. It's going to be a render straight line, right? We're going to render a straight line. Clue what I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing, actually, to be honest. We start here, we end there, and that should be... we're also going to draw from left to right, so something like that. I have no clue. No idea. No, guys, no. It's not. That's not it. That's not the play. That's not the angle. That's not the angle I need. Start end's not gonna work. That's gonna be such a scuffed function. A render line. Don't want to think about it. Don't want to think about it. The problem is if you're going to refactor, it's going to be nasty. It is what it is. It's going to be nasty to refactor, so I need to think about a good way. So we're going to draw the misc border here, right? over the full width. That's going to be nasty because we can't. See, this is the y where it starts at 0. It's not starting at 0. It's going to start at, for example, I don't know, maybe 4 or maybe 6. I think 4. I'm gonna guess 4. It's going to be this thing, and we need one line. What am I doing? It needs this one, and then we render the market price. Again, centered. I don't know what it is. Am I Pythagoras? I don't know. Maybe I am. Maybe I am. I don't know. Maybe I'm Nikola Tesla. I'm an ancestor of Nikola Tesla. I don't know. It's impossible that I center these things all the fucking time. What are the odds? But this frame border is actually, I don't like this. But why do I do this? This is faster. You see, now we have a little problem. That's true. Of course, it's in the way of this order book there, but that's no problem. Yeah. Let me think about it. I'm not an aesthetic programmer. I know. Basic border 2. That's actually nasty. Why is that? Oh yeah, I see what it is. PC going full speed. 4 is fine, I think. See, I can't. What's going on here? Maybe 3 is a thing. Render line. That's it to do. Marketplace 2. Can we do... We can't do 1.5, so it's going to be so nasty, right? I cannot see with this mic where these fucking things are. That's why I type it, man. I cannot. I just can't. Basically, remind me of my HTML career. Yes, that's what we need. That's the play. And if you want to refactor this, it's going to be so nasty because it's all hard-coded values in that thing. Let me quickly check the health of everything. Health is kind of okay. Ish. Analytics. Stream health. Stream is healthy. Stream settings. Ooh, don't touch it. Enable auto stop. It's fine. It's all good. All right. Yeah. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make this dynamic, right? So this is how we're going to do this. We need to go back to the order book. No, to the Binance thing. To this thing. We want something else. Streams, BTC, USDT depth, BTC, USDT, at. Is it act rate? Ik ben niet zeker. I'm not sure. J'ai pas sûr. 3 languages. Right at your fingertips. BTC USD act rate. I don't know if that's true. Aggregated trades. We're not gonna. What is this? Handle depth response. Let's return here real quick. Let's delete this real quick. Shit. Damn, now I need to... always wondering why you type go run, may not go instead of go run. Is that a thing? Is this a thing? Is this basically me not knowing that? I I thought I was learning something new. It's actually a shame. I thought go run would basically automatically detect the main Go file, but it isn't. I could also make a make file and do make run as a little bit better, but hey. Goddamn, we need to have this stupid Binance thing, man. Back to the Binance documentation, eh? Binance, futures, ag trade, documentation. This is GitHub pages. I don't want that, my man. God damn it, man. This Binance documentation is just... Recent trades, that's what I want. Oh, it's a trade. Where are we? A trade, that's what we want, but I want to see the response. Is buyer maker. What am I doing? Look at me. Look at this guy searching for a place to place his code. I'm actually looking like where I'm gonna put this. You know what I mean? It's like a little dog looking for a place to sleep or to take a shit in the grass. That's what I'm doing. And actually, we are taking a shit. We're gonna dump some stuff. Where is my order book entry? Here's Binance depth result. That's what I want. PC lagging like a crazy motherfucker. Yep. I'm gonna make this one. Type Binance. Trade result. It's gonna be a struct, yeah. And I think it's gonna be something like this is not futures API. This Binance documentation, guys. This is really killing me, man. Because they have different results. They have different JSON responses for all this bullshit. Instead of making this a coherent thing, no. Binance Futures WebSocket API. Of course, you guys can see what I'm doing, but it doesn't matter. Hey! It's not FAPI, you Guys, I'm so sorry. This Binance, man. Can somebody guide me into the... Oh, man, this is so annoying. It's such a shitty exchange. It's bullshit. I cannot... There's information all over the fucking place here. I don't need this FAPI, my man. Whoa, wait. WebSocket market streams. Yes, but I need fstreambinance.com. Exactly, that's what I want. Yes. Aggregated trade streams. Yes. Ag trade. Fine. That's what we need. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my man. Data, I think, right? That's going to be... Fuck this shit. I'm gonna do it like that. Did you guys know that you could embed a struct in a struct? Just if you're lazy. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna work, by the way. The event type. The only thing I need is basically I want to have the price, right? P. It's gonna be a string, of course, because it's Binance. Yeah. A string, of course. A JSON. That's gonna be E. P. And then it needs to be act rate, right? Well, first up, is buyer maker. Do we care? No, not for the price yet. Shit, we are actually in trouble because we are in trouble. The problem is that we're basically reading JSON to a result, but it's going to be a fixed result, and this data is generic, right? So I'm not quite sure if we can. Go run dot. Okay, I see web.def. Yeah. Oh, you can do go to dot. Okay. Go run dot. Oh, beautiful. What? Oh, yeah. We do this Binance thing. Yeah. This is annoying because it's very annoying. So what we could do is let me try something. Let me try something real quick. Because they're gonna send it over the same WebSocket, so we actually need to switch based on the type of data, but we can't do that with JSON, right? So we could do something like a map of a string any, actually. Something like that. And we could do end result. And now I'm actually curious what this result is going to be. Why don't I see anything? Oh, it's a GoFunk. Yeah, I'm completely a little bit lost to north. Go on dot. Look at this, beautiful. Thank you. After so many years. Nothing is happening. God damn it. Stupid things. Is of course we need to say color scheme, groove box, right? Yes, alright. Colors, too many colors. Yes, disable. Disable highlight. Alright. I want to really get this done. I want to have this price in the stream, man. I want to have this price with this arrow, and then we have a good thing. Where's my main function? Here. So I think we made a. What we're gonna do to be sure, we're gonna do this, right? We're gonna make this a GoFunk. But we're going to say time sleep. This is a really nasty hack. Time seconds times 2, right? I want to do that. So if I do go run dot, it should basically 2 seconds and it will be stop. Yes, fine. Because sometimes, I don't know what it is with this terminal plugin, I cannot close it, it's borking out, I don't have a cursor, in what mode am I have no clue, so... but we don't see anything. So I think we made a mistake here. What's this? Symbol. I did this 20,000 times for each single exchange existing on the planet. But I want to see if I can have multiple of these things. Yeah, I see you could do it like that, I see. I'm pretty sure you can do... Pretty sure it's a comma separated thing, to be honest, so I'm not quite sure. Wait, let me see if this works, right? Let me see if this depth works alone. Yeah, so depth is working pretty fine. You can see we have this map, right? So we're gonna do it like that with a stupid map. But I need to split them at BTC, USDT, at egg. Is it like this? Probably not. Probably not. 2 seconds, please. So annoying, eh? I cannot close it, I cannot even cancel it. I'm not quite sure where the fuck I am. This is so annoying, man. You see? Where am I? Okay, just send JSON payloads. Yeah, we can subscribe with a JSON payload, but I want to do it like this with the stream. Just un momento, por favor. Normally... Right, because if you use only depth, then it's gonna work, right? Code run dot actually, to be honest. You see, then it's gonna work. But if we concat an egg trait, then it's not gonna work. For some fucking reason nobody knows. Market price stream, yeah. Actually, to be honest, we could take market price stream also. But if you wanna draw the traits, then we already have subscribed to that thing, because the market price is actually the latest trait anyway, right? Every 3 seconds or every second. Symbol at mark price. Well, we can try a mark price, why not? The thing is, I'm pretty sure we can subscribe to multiple streams, right? Let's do 1 second at 1s. Motherfuckers. BTC, USDT, and also want depth. if I could basically do not make any mistake there, that would be nice. BTC USDT at depth and BTC USDT at mark price at 1 second. Is this gonna work? I have no clue. Fucking... Yeah. Maybe it's BTC at mark price and then at depth or something. I don't know. What do you think? That would be savage. Also not. N. Ah, maybe an N. Yeah, of course it's an N. It is going to be an N. Of course. Of course. Why didn't it? I'm sure it's going to be an N. It's going to be an N, guys. N is the angle. It's an N angle. BTC at mark price at 1 second, pretty sure. And BTC USDT at depth. Very deep. Very deep. God damn it, it's not. Maybe I did a mistake. BTC USDT at depth. At 1 second. It sounds very weird. There's only one way to figure this out. There's only one person in the whole world that can help us. Right now. Right here. And that's... Who knows who that is? I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna call him right now. I'm gonna call this guy right now in just a second. He don't pick up the phone. God damn it. That's annoying. It's going to be, guys, ChatGPT! Woohoo! Yeah, buddy! That's the guy. You should use ChatGPT, by the way. Don't listen to this guy on YouTube. This Anthony GG. Send a message. Hey, what up? Hello, I'm ChatGPT, a language model trained to assist with a variety of tasks and answer questions. How can I assist you today? Well, I have airplane mode turned on. Well, I'm making a custom crypto indicator subscribing to the Binance API, Websocket, future Websocket, alsjeblieft, API. I'm gonna give him a lot of context, right? Where is chat? Yeah. I'm gonna paste that in. Shit! I'm pasting this. This is annoying. God damn it, what's going on? I swear to God, this WSL. Guys, never use it in your whole life. Never use this in your whole life, I swear to God. It's so annoying. It's bad, it's trash. But I need to, I'm forced. Look at this, how I need to do these things, man. My life is so bad. I'm gonna paste that in, just to give it enough context. Like this. How can I subscribe to multiple channels in one single string? For example, BTC USDT at depth and BTC USDT at mark price. Let's go, boy. Send it! Look at this! He's already responding. It's a slash. It's classic Binance. It's classic Chinese. You know what I mean? They have an issue with normalization. Slash. Why a slash? A comma. A comma was best. I think a comma was the most everybody should infer a comma or an n. This n sign, but it's a slash. That is what it is. Thank you, Chat GPT. I swear to God, if he's lying to me, Chat GPT to this. But this is basically what I'm using it for, right? I'm using it for these things that you could Google, but you know, if you Google them, you're going to gonna have 50,000 cookie pop-ups and all that shenanigans. You don't want that, so you're gonna go to Chat GPT 3, 4, 5, or 6. You know what I mean? A slash, yeah, that's something. Anyway, so now we have this stuff that's pretty fine. So what we're gonna do here is, wait, I'm gonna see. We have E, right? Oh, damn, how are we gonna... how are we gonna do this? We could do something with a data bytes and then marshal it again. But I'm not quite sure if I'm into that. So what I'm gonna do is the quickest way possible. And can I do this? That should always be there, right? That's going to be stream. Just do this. Stream is going to be result stream. This is the nastiest way to handle this, but it is what it is. Go run .ski. Yes, okay, cool. Yes. Oh, amazing. If stream equals BTC USDT at depth. This handle responses result data, right? What we're gonna do is can we please do a double quote for this poor boy? Is this a thing? Is this a thing, guys? This is impossible, right? This is don't do this. Don't actually do this, to be honest, because in a real world scenario, you're gonna use something else like a better JSON parser, which you can do get and all that stuff, or you marshal your stream into a struct, and you marshal your bytes into a bytes array, and then you're gonna, based on the stream, you're gonna marshal your bytes into the correct thing. That's the play. That's the play you need to do. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do it the dirty way, because it's Dirty Saturday. I'm Dutch, so I write in AN, but the incoming JSON is in Dutch. Sometimes I need to reference Dutch. Yeah. Remco, Dutch, Netherlands. Yes. Skibbity bop. Data is a map, right? Data is a map of E, T, B, C, B. We were so peacefully coding, and we were on UI, and everything was good, and we get dopamine and reward level, and now we are struggling because we don't want to implement it the right way. I'm a little bit impatient of having results, and that's why I'm trying to. I need to take my time, but I'm gonna say result data. I don't understand. This is basically a map. Why can I not? Am I basically an imposter, or what is this? Stop! Map string interface. Yeah, okay, fine. That's exactly. So why can I not basically do this, right? A, B actually, to be honest. Cannot even type. Invalid operation cannot index. Cannot. It's a variable. Oh, I need to cast this motherfucker. I see. String. In. Can I do any? We should do any. I think it's going to be any. I think that's going to be working fine. Or maybe it's going to complain that it needs to be an interface, but any is an interface, but still. That's a problem. Yeah. Alright, we got this. So this is going to be the data, and then B is going to be okay. If I'm not talking for a couple of seconds, then something is. I want to get this done. What's going on here? I should split things out. Okay, this is a problem here. These are data. That's fine. We're gonna say data B A. Stop. Data B. And it's going to be an interface, right? Yeah. Ask bits, is this the right order? I think so, right? It's gonna be the right order. Ask bits, yeah. Fine. Okay, cool. Slice interface. This is actually annoying. Really annoying. For simple things I want to do, it's annoying. It's the slice of interface. Wait, I have an idea. It's going to be slice any, and then we're going to... Yes, I have it. I have the play. I have the play, and the play is going to be this. Hop, copy, that's fine. B, A, I got, how do you call that? Jesus has come to me right now at this moment. Handle book response. We're going to say it's going to be a slice of any. What's going on here? Too fast, too furious, but a lot of mistakes. So now we're going to basically say that ask. We're going to range this. Let's say this is going to be ask. Underscore ask. Who cares? No. V. When in doubt, press V. So ask is going to be V, and we're going to cast this little nasty thing to a slice of a string. There's also V. Bet. It's going to be V casting this to a slice of string. Is this going to work? Shit. Wait, I think it's... Yeah, it's this one, right? Change B to A, yeah, I know, but the thing is... So this result data, this is, I never did this in this way. This is so weird. Why would you do that? But it's because we need to multiplex it's multiplexing over the same thing over the, it's multiplexing different data types over the same JSON stream. So basically cast this data, actually an interesting exercise to be honest. So we cast this data to a map string any, which is fine. Then we say data A is going to be a slice of any, which is perfectly what it is, right? Which is a slice, and inside of this slice, each piece is a slice of string. That basically means that if I'm in handle response sheet and I have this ask, right, I could do a reflect type of is going to be of this ask. Over the asks, and then I'm going to do the same thing over this, over V. I'm going to say type of V, right? Panic interface conversion interface is a slice of interface, not a slice of string. So it's basically here. Fuck this. Right, I know, it's probably going to, yeah, it's fine. Return here. You don't need to do the rest. Yeah. Stop. Too big of font. Go run. Gonna be the same thing. Undefined. Debugging at its finest. Yeah, maybe I'm completely idiot. Println. That's fine. Copy this, paste it in. Delete this. I'm gonna say type of V, right? Oh, man, hey. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's see what it is. Boom. So it's a slice of interface 2 times. Yes. Slice interface. It's all fine. It's fine. I believe that. No! And now? I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea! It's the V angle. Ask is... This is so annoying. It's V slice of any. Price is a string. And ask and volume is also a string. Thing is, of course... Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Now we need to do it the same thing here. This is a slice of any, and this is a slice of any. And this is going to be a string casting like a king. Casting is so good. Yes, yes, yes. Golden dot. Boom. We're getting mentally injured. That's fine. We don't print anything. It's all good. Hey, no worries. No worries, boys. Now we have our order book back, right? Is that true? Where do we cut this thing out here? Return. We go open up the gates. Open up the gates. Boom. Open up the gates. A little hiccup here, but I think it's fine. Yes! Of course, we're going to have some problem here in our UI because we are printing at the same time. But we're going to fix it. So now we have that. The next thing we're going to parse is our task at hand, by the way. And the task at hand is our current market price. So we're going to say if, because we don't do else's. We don't do ifs. We do ifs actually, but no else's, only absolutes. So we're going to say stream. If the stream is basically a BT, you could do a switch and yada 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 yada. It's all good. Mark price. This is going to be the same thing. Data is going to be this. Yeah. Close this. FMT. Println. This data. Just need the price, by the way. Okay. It's fine. What do we need? We need P, right? P. We need PP. Am I capsing? Am I capping? What am I doing? Caps is on. A little hiccup, my bad. So data is result, that's fine. So we're going to take out the price. So we're going to say data price is going to be data P. Price. Man, I was already thinking how to draw that stuff. So annoying that I don't see my cursor, but this, what it is. That's not the price, I guess. That's... I have no clue what it is. Let me open up the documentation. It is. Okay, so I think we could cast it to a string. Yeah. Now I know why they basically make it a string. It's for display purposes, right? I think that's the thing. And now. I think we should make some kind of a UI, a global strict, where we can do that stuff, and then we can set some state. But in this case, what I'm going to do here basically is going to make it even dirtier. And let's do this far here. We're going to say price. It's going to be a float, right? And quickly for testing purposes, going to do that like that, because otherwise we need to shuffle everything around, and we don't want to do that. Main. Here. So what we could do is this. Actually, to be honest, we could make it a string directly, to be honest, like this. Maybe something like that, right? What do you think? Just like that, and I'm going to say price is this. Copy this. Price. Market price, eh? Let's kill this. Now we're going to say render market price. This one. Did you expect? Huh? What did you expect, maybe? God damn it. Alright, that's fine. That's working. That's working. We need to find a way to make it a little bit better. So what I would suggest, right? Now we learned some stuff, right? We had some struggles. We have some things on the screen. It looks... Nobody knows if you pop it up, everybody thinks, whoa, that should be clean code, but it isn't, right? But now we need to think about later on to structure this a little bit better with a global, for example, maybe a global UI structure, and the UI can hold an order book, and then the UI can have margins, paddings, and then you can width and height, and you can share all these things with each other without having a global. But yeah. I'm a hobby coder. In the weekend, I'm a weekend warrior. This week, it's Saturday, so I can be a hobby coder today. Right? Let me be a hobby coder. Let me do some cool stuff. Let me... the thing what we're going to do is we're going to basically do mark price. And then we're going to say... how are we going to call this? So we have the mark price. Current mark price. Yeah. Also gonna be NA. To be... This needs to be... That need to be floats. I call it a day. That need to be floats, because otherwise we can't do comparisons. Binance with the strings, I don't know what it is, man. It's like... cannot use mark price. Yeah, I know. We need to convert this real quick to a float. Mark price here. That's not gonna be. We're gonna call this a price. Right? Like this. Then we're gonna say... the price itself, no, the mark price, the market price, the market price underscore, because we don't do errors, is going to be a string conversion, strconf. I think it's parse float price string 64. Of course. Now we need to basically do this here. You're gonna have a problemo because this other guy is gonna yank. Cannot use market price. That's no problem. What we're gonna do is fmt. Please, can we insert fmt s printf percentage .2f, so we can basically format it at 2 decimals, put in the market price, and call it a day. As a possible formatting directive. Yes, of course. So this is going to be at the same state. So we're going to quickly test that. Should be at the same state. So we're going to have our price. It's 0, but then it's going to, yes. Look at this, beautiful. Current BTC, by the way, 27,989. Something I'm going to change, guys, real quick is because it's not taking too much. It's not taking too much. I want to see flickers. It's Saturday, it's dancing, it's disco, it's everything at once. So we're going to say at market price. We're going to say at 1S. Boom. Because we don't do 3 seconds, we want to have real-time data. 1 second. If we could milliseconds, it would be milliseconds. Right? We want to capture the heat of the moment. We want to see the price as it is. Right? As it is. What team is it? Groovebox. Groovebox is a team. Hard contrast. Shit! You see, we changed one thing and it's borked. It's borked. Can you just use price string instead? No, because what we're going to do here is we have market price. Market price is a float 64 because we're going to do comparisons. And if you want to compare if the price is higher and lower than the previous tick, then basically we can do that with strings, right? You cannot compare if it's higher or lower. And we are here at, where is this thing here, right? We don't have access to price string here because we are in a simple function and we use this global variable. A variable global, Ricardo dalla Gavaria Gomez, Gustavo Lima, transportada la cocaína del aeroporto. You see, I speak every language. It's crazy. It's insane. Can you make a video setup terminal UI tutorial? Hey, this one. This is a tutorial terminal UI, you see? If you watch this video, you can do the same thing. What are we doing? Yeah, we made a mistake. It's crazy. Wait, let me see Binance API. 1S, you see? Mark price 1S. Is that a different thing, maybe? Index mark price. Mark price. Estimated settle price. Funding rate. We have a funding rate. Insane. We could do the symbol, right? That could be nice, actually. It's not working, this 1S. Mark price at 1S. It's not gonna work. Or maybe we made a mistake. Why is my G not typing? I think my keyboard is borked. I can see my cursor. Oh, wait. It could be that the price didn't change. That could be. That could be a problem. I don't know how they fix it. I don't think they're gonna send me the same thing. Or not. Well, let's see. It should work. 1S should work. 1 second. I want a second updates, but it's not working. God damn it. They jebaited me. Binance, man. They jebaited me. They're jebaiting you. Why can't... This 1S is not working. Do we something different or something? What's going on? Mark price at 1S. What's going on? Do I... Whoa. What the fuck is this? Garbage! Garbage! No, they were not in the scope. Houston, Bova. Otherwise, I used a string. Of course. And otherwise, actually, to be honest, if it was a string and we want to format it, we could easily do it. But then we needed to re-f sprint f, if you know what I mean. That's not true. I'm talking gibberish. So that's going to be each tick. I cannot find my main. I'm going to be lazy. Going to do it like that. So what we're going to do here is this mark price. This is each tick, right? This is each tick here. So we're going to say... Here, I think, is going to be... We're going to say market price is going to be... Current market price is this, and the market price is going to be the current market price if... Fuck if. Render market price. That's the thing. So the color is going to be... Time for a new keyboard. Var color is going to be a term box dot attribute, right? I'm going to say if mark price, if market price. It's time to quit the stream because attention span of myself is if the market price, if the current market price is bigger than the market price, the color is going to be termbox dot color green. Else color look at this, we're gonna do it like that. Fuck color, we're gonna say this, color equals termbox color red. Actually, we could make it 3 colors, like an even color and hey, but let's be optimistic. We are optimists. We are optimists. So even if the market price is the same as before, we're gonna say it green because we're optimistic. If you're a pessimistic, you make it red. Actually, stupid. We could actually do. Sometimes I'm so frustrated that I'm deleting this one by one, but you could also delete till parenthesis or something like this, like delete. Oh. Something like delete till this, you see what I mean? But hey, sometimes I want to click my keyboard. I assumed, okay, cool. So what we're going to do now is, there should be a color. That's the first thing. And then we're going to drive the arrow. And if the arrow is done, we're going to do a little bit of talking. And then we're going to end the stream. That's 2 hours of pure coding this stream, right? 2 hours. Normally we do shit talking. This time we were coding for 2 fucking hours. It is what it is. You cannot deny that. Who is doing that? Who is doing that for 2 hours? I need to eat and I need to... Go on. Let's see if this color is working. I don't know. It's a green color because, yeah. Okay, so now it's gonna happen. I probably made a mistake. No! Hey! Hey! It's the decimals. It's calculating the decimals. This is borked. This is completely whacked. It's probably, I don't know, it's this global thing and everything. It could be so much problems. The problem, the way we set it up, it could be so many problems. There could be so many problems. The colors change is happening one late. Yeah, it is. It's because oh man, it is there, right? We're gonna ship that feature like this because no, we need to. Where is this thing? It's gonna be in Mark main, guys. It's time to quit. It's really time to quit the stream. To do some a little Q&A. It is little 5 minutes. It's time. I'm completely, you know what? I'm actually getting completely, how do you call that? I have brain damage. There is brain damage right now going on in my head. Brain damage. This is a loop, right? Each time we got BTC market price, we're going to say that the market price is going to be the current market price. First of all, I don't like this. This is going to be, I'm going to copy this. It's not true. This is we're going to have a current market price and a previous market price, right? Previous mark, current mark price, pref mark price. We're going to call this cur mark price and pref mark price. That's perfectly fine. So we're going to say this is, we're going to do that later on. We're first going to be here. So the previous market price, before we actually fetch the market price again, is going to be the current market price, right? Each time we tick. This each tick is going to be each 3s, because 1s doesn't work. For some fucking reason, I don't know. Right? Let's call this Chinese guy, how do we call him? CZ, let's call CZ. Hey, CZ, we have a problem. You know what I mean? We want 1 second, we did it, and we don't get anything. No noodles for you today, my sir. No noodles, no krupuk. You know what is krupuk? This is Chinese thing. It's very delicious. Krupuk. Krupuk. Amazing. Krupuk, my friends. Only 1 month of configuring for all my life. Don't configure Vim. Let Vim configure you. Let Vim configure you. That's how it's going to be. Right? Don't configure Vim. Let Vim configure you. That's how it needs to be. Price. So the yes. And then we're going to say that the current mark price, which is the cur mark price, is going to be this thing. And then the next. Yeah, of course. But when is render? When is render happening? You know what I mean? Render happens in another Go routine. Render is somewhere else. Render is a party in another tent. You know what I mean? He's also on the Tomorrowland stage, but he's on another stage doing his thing, and we are doing our thing here. So we need to find a way. We need to make a channel or something to communicate that stuff. Who knows? I think channels is a good idea. We're going to make channels, and there's going to be little Go routines that's going to draw things on the screen each time. Actually, each update, because we don't need a for loop for that. We could, each update's gonna, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Something like that. That's the play, that's the angle. Maybe what we could do, actually, to be honest, first of all, to make this complete, we also need to draw our horizontal line or support and resistance of volume visible range. Is something we're gonna draw. But that's for the next time. So we're going to have some cool stuff we could do in our streams. We're going to actually have something to do that's actually interesting. Render the mark price here. So we're going to go to mark price and declared name. I know. Relax. If the current mark price is bigger than the mark price, than the pref mark price, then it's going to be, the color is going to be green. So now I need an arrow. Let me quickly fix this. People already linked arrows, but... Terminal, actually ChatGPT, where is this motherfucker? Boom, here. Hello. Reset. Okay, cool, it's reset. So we're gonna say I'm making an UI in the terminal. Terminal. I need arrow up and arrow down for my crypto price UI. So we're gonna do it 3 times so he knows we're talking about a UI, right? Give me the Unicode icon or something. It's just, I'm trying to, some context. I know it's not correct, but for arrow up and down. Okay, okay. I can live with this. Give me a fatter, bigger, bombastic version. Bombastic version. That's very bombastic. With no background. Light mode. It's fine. Paste. Arrow down. Arrow down. Boom, paste that in because Ctrl V is not working on this machine. But it's all fine. Can we please delete this P and yeah. Alright, so here mark price. Hop. Let me see what's going on here. Are we still doing are we still live? PC still I think I can bake my my steak on my PC when the stream is done. Why all developers top use Vim? Top use Vim. Developers stop use Vim. I don't know, man. We all wanna I don't know. We want to be dominated. You know what I mean? Listen very carefully. Women think that we want to dominate them, but that's not true. We want women that want to. We as men, we want to be dominated. We want to be dominated. We want to be humiliated. We want to be frustrated. And we also want to be configured. Aided. And that's why we use Vim. So we can be dominated by this thing. You know what I mean? You think you're dominating him, but by the end of the day, he's gonna get you. Vim is gonna get you. Vim. Sooner or later, Vim is gonna fuck your life up. It is what it is. Sooner or later, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but once in your life, Vim is going to fuck you up. It's going to make you humble once again. You know what I mean? Humble. Vumble. Good mode price. If icon arrow equals arrow down, up because we're optimisticals. No, down. We need to be down because, yeah. And otherwise, the arrow is going to be arrow up. Just like that. And then we're going to render text once again. Actually, to be honest, we could do this. But that's going to be on the same height. And we're going to say 3. Right? How do we do that? Something like that. Right? And that's going to be also in the color, right? Color. We don't need the sprint f thingy. That's not what we need. We're going to basically make a Unicode character, which is the arrow, right? Hop. Cannot use arrow variable rune as string. If you really want that, if you want to be, God damn it, what's going on? My arrow is doing things it should not do. Okay, but that's the start position. This is how we start. This is the start. Maybe we should actually return how many characters it drawn. Render string. That's something we could do in the future. Now we need to gamble. Gamble. It's a gamble angle. It's a gamble angle to 8. Gamble angle. Go. Can we please stop it? I want to stop the stream. God damn it! I misgambled. I misgambled. Ba-ba-boom. 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 Yes! Look at this crypto indicator. The indicator comes here, right? The indicator is going to be down here, right? We're going to fix the order book a little bit because he's a little bit scuffed. This price thingy is also a little bit... But it's kind of working. It's kind of working. It's kind of working. It's working. Hey! Hello! Oi. We're going to zero. We're going to zero. Something is wrong. I think it's fine. Not quite sure. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe it's fine. We don't care, right? It's working. It's fine. It looks good. All right. Are there any questions? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get... I cannot see anything. What I'm going to do is git add everything. Git commit -am. Making more progress with the UI. Boom. Git push origin masters. Especially for you. Have fun with it. Yes. Are there any questions for the people that are not subscribed? Subscribe. For the people that don't want to subscribe, subscribe. And yeah. All right, let me read the chat real quick. Gotcha. I swear. Can you explain how you are handling a channel in this current project? Next time. Next time. Not quite sure if you're going to do it, I think. Actually, to be honest, I think it's working. And actually, let's let it run a little bit, right? For the people that jump in, they can see we have a crypto indicator, right? Actually, to be honest, what I want to do is I want to say the ticker. We don't know what ticker is this. Of course, experienced traders, they know. They see the price, they see 27,988. In the red, they know it's BTC USD. They know it's BTC, right? Experienced traders know exactly what it is. Experienced traders, they know based on the price what coin it is. Experienced traders. Yeah. How long are we streaming? 2 hours 40 minutes and my camera is still not shut down. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that? Ruku, ruku, says the owl in the woods. Missed the first part of the stream due to some quad burning stuff, but another great stream to watch. Hey, Webster Dev, man, your quads, I hope they are fucking swole. Big tree trunks, you know what I mean? If you, like, my normal pants, everybody thinks I'm wearing skinny jeans. No, I don't wear skinny jeans. I cannot wear skinny jeans. It's impossible, right? Every pants is a skinny jeans for me, you know what I mean? What OS are you using? Windows and WSL, but I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't recommend it, right? So I'm going to install my gaming PC in the new place, install Linux, basically Ubuntu, and use that. I'm mesmerized by the price. But my order books are empty. Look at this. My order books. They are completely drained. What's going on? They are all by volume. Guys, stop it. It's fine. We're gonna... It's a bug in the order book. There's a bug in the order book. Clear this. Boom. Just like that. All right. For streaming. So the problem is, for streaming, is that I need to do video encoding. So Windows, that is my video editing software. Then I need to use my Razer Blade because that's a good GPU. So I can use that for encoding and all that stuff. My MacBook has a very good CPU, but it doesn't have a GPU. So I need to making compromises. You know what I mean? Making compromises. I need to pick, and I don't care because I can work on every single system on the planet. But yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. For now, it's this one, and I'm actually sick and tired of it. So I'm gonna swap. I'm gonna swap. Would you recommend a MacBook Pro? Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. No. MacBook Pro for sure, no doubt. MacBook is the best thing you could do because a MacBook, Linux is good, but MacBook is also Unix-like, and it's the same thing. It's not the same thing. It's the same-ish thing. And MacBook software works on MacBook, and not gonna have problems. You're not gonna have problems anyway. It's never breaks. Linux sometimes, boom. What the fuck is going on? Nobody knows, right? Don't do it. MacBook Pro is by far the best thing you can use for development. By far. Because even if you want to do game development, even then you could do it on a MacBook. On Linux, don't even try. But on a MacBook, a lot of games support Mac. Unreal Unity supports Mac. MacBook, man. I don't have any money, so I can not buy one. I don't know, man. I have so many good PCs, and I don't want to waste a lot of money for a MacBook. I don't know. I'm considering getting a MacBook Pro. The problem with Mac is you cannot fit a fucking USB port. You cannot an Ethernet port. There is no fucking ports on that thing. That's so annoying. Ears, you cannot plug a fucking audio jacket in. It's like then you need to buy another stuff, and another stuff need another stuff, and you need another stuff and another stuff, and it's not compatible with with nothing. That's MacBook, and that's what I hate. It's smart from them, marketing wise, very smart, but I hate it. I'm gonna stop recording because I'm not gonna say anything useful anymore. I also think that Arch is pretty chat. Not gonna lie. Listen, if you just want to code, if you're just a low-level coder and you just want to code and you don't want to spend much money on a MacBook, just use a ThinkPad or something, or a Dell, like the Dells, these super fast Dells with 32 gigs of RAM, and then install. They can come with pre-installed Ubuntu. Boom, and you're ready to go, my friend. Ready? Yes. 46 gigs of RAM. Insane. That's crazy. Now you can open up 2 tabs more. You can open up 2 tabs more, man. Oh. Man, why is my viewer count stagnating all the time? What's going on? Why is that? What do I need to do? Do I need to sing a song or something? It's like 18 concurrent viewers, man. It's I don't know what it is. Where is everybody? I did a stream of where I basically clickbaited everyone. The stream of the e-commerce full project. It was 80 viewers on my stream. It was crazy. 80 fucking viewers. Clickbaited into my stream. Jabaited them all. We did 1 episode and that was it. Because I don't know, man. If you really want to learn that stuff, you need to go to fulltimegodev.com. I'm dying. 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's actually 8 gigabytes of RAM. No, boy. That's actually... that's not good. 32 is what I recommend. 16 gigabyte is... 32 is what you need. I think I have 16 in this PC, by the way. But on my gaming PC... Well... It's not being... Since I was doing this side hustle of YouTube, Anthony GG brand stuff... I have no time to game, so I'm gonna install Ubuntu on it and use that for streaming and such. What do you use for recording your screen? I'm using a DSLR camera, a Sony 8600 with a lens, and I'm using a capture card, a Razer capture card, and that's how I do it. And I have a better lens, this one. This is my Sony f 1.850mm lens. Can you see that? Is it zooming in? It's not even sharpening it. This is the good lens. You see? Okay, zoomed. But this one, basically my camera is too close right now. And I cannot use this one. Because to zoom out, I need to go forward. And the lens that I have here, I can actually... You can see I can actually... I can zoom in. You know what I mean? What's up? You know what I mean? I can zoom out. What? That's too far. Something like this. I don't care. But it's fine. It's normally at 30. I zoom it at 30. But I don't think the quality is good. And actually, this camera, I'm not quite sure. I will buy a new one when it's time. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna leave it a day. I'm gonna call it a day, by the way. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna do some fun stuff. Yeah. Thanks everyone for watching, and I see you in the next video live stream or on the Discord channel.